Alright, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel here at Andy Ashton. So today I had basically this on my mind while I was training one of my clients in Hollywood. And just first of all, for those who don't know who I am, my name is Andy Ashton. I'm a certified fitness professional, celebrity trainer. I specialize in strength training, weight loss, boxing, martial arts, and holistic nutrition. I have over 15 years of experience in the health and fitness industry, and I'm also an undefeated fitness champion, and I was the former Mr. Fitness America. Alright guys, so going back today when I was training one of my celebrity clients in Hollywood. She had a hip surgery over 1 year ago, and they completely cut open obviously all the nerves, the muscle, and after 1 year she's still experiencing pain in the hips and the knees. So I was referred to her, and we've been working together now for almost 2 months. And the kind of training that I've been doing for my client post-surgery for rehabilitation has been stability and balance training. Now, why have I been doing stability and balance training for my client who's had hip surgery and obviously working with her for 2 months for rehabilitation? Well, here's the thing that you need to understand. We have separate different muscle groups and muscle systems. So when we are building muscle, the main muscles we are using are basically the prime movers. It's the superficial muscle on the outside, but that muscle will not stabilize the joints and strengthen the joints, such as your spine, your rotator cuffs, your hips and knees and ankles. We have small little tiny muscles inside, and they are the stabilizing muscles. And they need to be trained for long periods of time in isometric stability and balance form. So when you have issues with your low back, your neck, your shoulders, your hips, your knees and your ankles, it's usually due to a lack of stability in the muscles around those areas. When you're training the stabilizing muscles, it's really, really important that you do the movements slow and controlled. You do high reps. You only need body weight or very minimal weight, because these are small muscles, not large muscles, so they're not designed to carry a heavy load. And you need to train them over long extended periods of time for a minimum of 1 up to 5 minutes when you're doing it, so you can rebuild the stability and support that joint. The reason why today we have so many people suffering from injuries is because their stabilization system is weak. They have terrible posture, terrible form, and their muscles around their joints do not work because 1, they're not training them correctly, and 2, they're training them with bad form and improper posture and incorrect technique. So when you want to build a body strong from inside and be injury-free with longevity, stability and balance training must be always first. Your alignment must be perfect, and you must do it for long periods of time, slow and controlled. I will do on the next video blog, I'll show you exercises to build up specific areas where you are weak for your stabilization system. So stay tuned. Thank you for joining. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like, share and comment, and I wish you all an amazing day.